I tried to find someone that could be my great love. Right in front of me, I didn't realize you were my dream. So you took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah. Wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Shell's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share some DIY glam cushions. I'm doing a Z Gallerie inspired cushion DIY. I hope you enjoy. Guys, I've been drooling over these beautiful cushions from Z Gallerie. Unfortunately, we don't have Z Gallerie here in Australia. And to bring them out here, guys, all up, it would have cost me $300 for a pair. So Shell put her thinking cap on once again and decided I would have a go at my very own Z Gallerie inspired DIY. Now I picked up these two European style cushions from my local Big W at just $8 a piece. Now I took my favourite gloss candy pink by Rust-Oleum here, guys. Now this is not fabric paint, but for the purpose of this video, I thought I'd use this to see how it would go on a cushion. My intention here is these will just be for display only. If you want to use fabric paint where you wash these afterwards, I recommend you just having a look at, there's tons of YouTube videos, guys, on how you can actually create your very own fabric paint with normal acrylic craft paint. But I'm doing this with this spray paint, and what I'm doing here is just giving it 2 coats and only going up halfway. So it doesn't have to be perfect. I just went over both cushions in the same way. Now I was quite impressed with the spray paint, guys. You'd expect using spray paint on fabric, it would give a hard feel, but it wasn't, guys. There was a little bit of stiffness, but overall I was really happy with the result. Now once everything was completely dry, I then took my Mod Podge, and what we're going to do here, guys, is take a paintbrush and we're going to add the Mod Podge to the left hand side of the cushion. Now what you're going to do here is just create uneven strokes between the two colours. You're then going to take some gold glitter, and what you're going to do is just dust it very lightly on top. Now you'll see here it actually comes out quite quickly. So what I did here was just got myself a small plate and I dusted it off onto the plate and then reused the glitter from the plate into the next row. Now you're just going to continue with those uneven strokes with the Mod Podge. So what I'm doing here, I'm using quite a larger and longer one, and then my next stroke will be a little bit shorter. Let's say it's a bed we all know. Now you'll just continue on with the Mod Podge, a long stroke and a short stroke in between, and then keep adding the glitter until you are finished. Once that was complete, I then took this other type of gold glitter, and what I'm going to do is just use this as a highlighter, guys. So I'll take that a little bit of Mod Podge and I'll add it to my brush, and I'll add it where I feel that the gold will really stand out. How long can it all go on before we change? Now I also decided to add some silver glitter as well, again using this for a highlighter. So just repeating the same steps, I added a little bit of Mod Podge where I wanted the silver to show and added it to the pillow. Now if you've ever used glitter for a DIY, guys, you know it can get quite messy. So a handy tip here is just to take a hairdryer, put it on the lowest setting and blow away the excess of the glitter. Then to finalise your project, I recommend a very strong hairspray and then spray it over the glitter. This will secure everything in place. Once it was complete, I then started on my second cushion, repeating the same method as the first.
Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just want to make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight.
I love sharing inexpensive ways for you to decorate in your home. If you want a decorative piece just for show, this simple DIY is something that you could all have a go at this weekend.
There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling.
Being such a glam girl at heart, I knew these glamorous cushions would go so perfect with the gloss candy pink from Rust-Oleum, added with the gold glitter touches. I knew that it had all come together on a very limited budget.
Like the ocean, I can see you want this too. 'Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know, and I ain't playing no games, baby. You won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you do.
There are so many beautiful glam pieces that are unfortunately not available here in Australia. So I have to put my thinking cap on, guys, and try and recreate new and interesting ideas. And I love sharing them with you so you can do the same thing in your home.
Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
Once they were all complete and I had put so much hairspray on these babies, I was so happy with how they came, guys. And all up, this cost me less than $20 per cushion. I'm so happy with that result.
Down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
I absolutely love sharing inexpensive ways for you to decorate your homes. Guys, I know there's so many people out there that really think they can't do a DIY. That's why I like to show you easy and inexpensive ways for you to have a go at doing these types of things. You could look at my video and go, hey, I could probably really do that. So just follow my videos step by step. I guarantee you'll be so happy with the results.
Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the problems. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo house. Brings out
Now, you know your girl Shell loves everything that sparkles. So I'm so happy with how these two inexpensive projects came.
You say that I'm crazy. It's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wild. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo house. Brings out the wild. I got a little crush on you.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you to have a go at your very own Glam DIY cushions.
On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wild.
Don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Shell's Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.